Hello students, welcome to my channel Study with Boomba. Today we are going to do Class 4 NCERT EVS Chapter 5 Anita and the Honeybees. So today I am going to show the notes of this. Please, if a student is new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share so to your classmates or friends so they can find this concept easily. So first, there is fill in the blanks. First, every child has right to free education up to class 8th. Here, right. Anita want to become a wholesaler to help village people to get right price for them honey. Worker bees fly around flowers in search of nectar and collect the nectar from flowers for honey. Fourth, honeybees are attracted to lychee flowers. Fifth, worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to nest. Sixth, the male bees have no special role as worker. Seventh, the soldier ant guards its nest. Eighth, honeybees lays its eggs from October to December. Ninth, Anita lives in Bochara village. Then the lychee tree comes to flower in February. Now it's true and false. Anita wants to become a teacher. False. Honeybees lay eggs from October to December. It's true. Lychee trees come from flowers in February. It's true. Termites and wasps live and work together like honeybees. It's true. Worker ants lay the eggs. It's false. Anita gets 1 kilogram of honey in rupees 35. It's true. Most of the bees in the hive are male bees. False. Most of the bees are worker bees. Then males, then it's queen. Anita go to college in her bike. False. Before going to school, Anita spent all her time with goats as they grazed for food. True. One of the neighbors in the village convinced Anita's parents. False. Teacher conserved the Anita's parents. Write the function of the following. Queen bee. Every bee has one queen bee. Its main function is to lay eggs. Worker bees. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around the flowers in search of nectar. Male bee. The male bee has no special role as worker. Its only function is to help queen bee to reproduction of baby bees. Soldier ant. The soldier ant plays a main function in its nest. They look after the guards the ant's nest. Queen ant. The only role of the queen ant is lay eggs. Worker ant. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. And now it's answer the following. Where does Anita live? Anita Khushwala lives in Bocha village in Muzaffar district in Bihar. What did the teacher tell Anita's parents? The teacher explained the importance of study to Anita's parents. The teacher told them that they would not have to pay anything for Anita's education up to class 8. What did Anita do to continue her studies? Anita started teaching to younger children to continue her studies after class 5th. Which government course did Anita join? Anita joined the beekeeping course and started her work of selling honey. How does Anita's parents help her in honey business? Anita's mother prepares the syrup for honeybees and her father looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Why does the Anita want to become a wholesaler? Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the village people to get the right price of their honey. What are the types of bees? Every beehive has three types of bees: queen bee, worker bee, and male bee. Why do bees come to flowers? Bees fly around the flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. How does bee find flowers with nectar? When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is actually. What kind of eatables bring ants to them? Eatables such as rice, snacks, sugar, biscuits, and some sweet and fragrant items bring ants to them. Means some things that are sweet and that and all brings ant to them. Do ants ever come near you? Why? Yes, ants come near us because if we spell some snack, some sweet things, they come to us and they find the eatables found near us. Draw an ant in a notebook and color it. So this is the picture of the ant. This is the picture of the ant. Okay. What are the different colors of honey that you can have seen? I have seen I have seen dark brown, light brown and maroon color honey. Is honey used in our house? For what it is used? Honey used in our house as a medicine for cough, in juice and cake items. Write the following two brands of honey: Dabur honey and Lion honey. Two uses of honey: medicine for cough, used in cakes. Two insects who work and live like honeybees: ants, wasps, termites. Rearrange the following sentences according to the process of honey collection. First, a queen bee lay eggs. Then it will be, here mistakenly 3 is written. Then it will be worker bees may. I will do like that. It is the second one. Worker bees make the hive and look after the baby. Worker bees fly around the flowers in search of nectar. When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance to tell the other bees where the nectar is. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers for honey. And this is the picture of a beehive. How did Anita handle the following situation? When she was suffering from money problem in class 6 to continue her studies, Anita had to teach younger children. When bees would sting Anita, her hands and face would get swollen and it would pain a lot. Thank you for watching.